and welcome everyone to Diecast YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of my viewers. Today I'm going to show my latest TOMICA castings. I ordered these two from eBay because SUZUKI JIMNY it became a viral in this mid 2019 because this is a in real world this is a very cheap 4-wheel drive option, especially in Australia. You can buy SUZUKI JIMNY around 25,000 Australian dollars. So it's comparing to the other SUVs, 4-wheel drives. This one is pretty much cheap option. All right, let's discuss about these castings first. All right, first let's check these lime green color one. I ordered this one from Buy Market, eBay. Buy Market, that's the seller's name, from Hong Kong, I guess. It came with this plastic case, which is pretty nice. Let's open this one first, and you can see the sealed pack. Let's remove the sealed pack. Let's remove this one. Just damage the polythene and get this thing out first from the polythene. There you go. Out. All right, you can see typical TOMICA regular box. You can see this is new for 2019, and this is the first ever TOMICA release for SUZUKI JIMNY, as I know. And yep, everything else is from Japanese. Yep, all right, I understood everything. Let's open. So talking about the JIMNY, this is their one original color. So in Australia this color is very popular. So I have seen the actual vehicle with this color, and it pretty much looks nice. All right, there you go. All right, first impression, it looks good. All right, let's talk about the color. It's lime green, I guess. And let's talk about the front. You can see all the details in front. SUZUKI logo, painted lights, no separate. This doesn't have separate plastic lights, but it has the painted silver color lights. And front grille, all the details. Well, there's no opening option here, but that's totally all right. And talking about the rear, you can see the painted tail lights, and if you check closely, there's the SUZUKI logo and JIMNY logo on this side, and plain extra wheel, nothing on there. And if you check inside, you can't see much. Yes, in real world this is only this is a hot hatch sort of, so only 2 seats are available, and it has a huge boot space. So yep, that's obvious. And this thing has typical TOMICA regular wheels with the suspensions. All right, enough about that. Let's open the other version. I'll keep this one aside. Number 2. Cut the polythene. Strip the polythene. That's it. Nothing special about the case. It shows the blue color variation. Everything else is pretty much similar to the previous one. This is number 14 of this year's list. All right, enough chit chat. Right, this one. Yes. So I just zoomed in my video so you guys can clearly see all these details. There you go. All right, so nothing special, similar, exactly the same details, but the color is a bit luminous blue. This has a luminous blue color. And yeah, all the details are exactly the same as the previous JIMNY. The green color one, lime green. So yeah, if you look closely, yeah, there you go, everything is exactly identical. Actually, I bought these two to do a wheel swap and quick custom. So my plan is to swap these, remove these tiny Tomica wheels, and replace with a good off-road wheels, and maybe I'll place a hood rack with some off-road stuff, and maybe I'll do some mud effect on sides. Yeah, because this Jimny is extremely popular with East Asia diecast manufacturers. I have seen on the internet Aerocast made this one, and some other manufacturers trying to get the license and produce this stuff, because this one is extremely popular casting, extremely popular vehicle in real life. So yep, there you go. This is the two versions. I'll give you a close look. There you go. So from all sides, top, sides, rear, everything looks perfect. All right, if you guys collecting Tomica and if you guys are customizer, I think the best castings are Tomica regular, so you can do anything you want and it's not that expensive like Tomica Limited Vintage or Tomica Premiums. I bought these ones around $9 each or $10 each, so yeah. All right guys, I'll show you how I'm gonna do the custom out of these two castings. So stay tuned. If you like my video, please hit like button and please hit subscribe button as well. I'll shoot some photos of these two castings in my Instagram page, Diecast Beast. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please go and hit follow button. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.